Good morning, children. Hope you have completed your last week's assignment. Now, today we are going to learn different experiments in photosynthesis. So, we have 4 experiments. So, coming to experiment 1, to test the presence of starch in leaves. What is our aim? To study the presence of starch in leaves. So, what are the materials required for it? Healthy potted plant, methylated spirit, iodine solution, dropper, forceps, tripod stand, Bunsen burner, 2 beakers, petri dish and test tube. Now coming to procedure. Take a healthy potted plant with soft and thin leaves and keep it in sunlight for few hours. Select a leaf of this potted plant and boil the leaf in a methylated spirit over water bath till it turns pale white. The purpose of boiling the leaf in methylated spirit is that it dissolves the green part, that is chlorophyll. See, you can see in the figure, that is we are boiling the leaf in a methylated spirit. Now observe the leaf. Then remove the leaf and spread it on a petri dish and add few drops of iodine solution and again observe the leaf. The presence of starch will be indicated by a dark blue or black color in the leaf. So conclusion, this shows that starch is present in leaves. Now coming to second experiment. To prove that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis by Moll's half-leaf experiment. Children, in the last session we have studied that factors responsible for photosynthesis. So carbon dioxide is one of the important factor necessary for photosynthesis. So aim to prove that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Materials required: potted plant, glass bottle, split cork and KOH solution. Now coming to procedure. Take a potted plant and keep it in dark for nearly 3 to 4 days for the removal of starch from the leaves. If you keep it in dark, so starch will be removed. Next, take a wide-mouthed transparent bottle. Pour KOH solution in the bottle. Potassium hydroxide absorbs carbon dioxide in the bottle. That's why we have to take potassium hydroxide in the bottle. Insert splitted cork in the mouth of the bottle. Insert one of the leaves of the destarched plant through a split cork into a transparent bottle containing KOH solution. Now arrange the apparatus in such a way that half of the leaf is inside the bottle and half of the leaf is outside the bottle. Keep the whole apparatus in sunlight. After a few hours, test this leaf for starch. Now coming to observation. The part of the leaf outside the bottle turns blue or black due to photosynthesis, and the part of the leaf inside the bottle does not turn blue because carbon dioxide present in it is absorbed by KOH solution. See in the figure we can clearly see that half of the leaf it is blue in color and half of the leaf no starch is formed. Conclusion. These experiments proves that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Children, during this experiment, we have to take precautions. So first precaution is the part of the leaf kept inside the bottle should not touch the KOH solution. Second precaution, the apparatus should be airtight by applying grease or Vaseline. Children, we have seen the two experiments today. In the next session, we will be seeing the next two experiments. I hope you understood these two experiments. They are very important from the examination point of view. They will be asked in 4 marks questions. So, I want each student to learn the experiment properly. I'll be posting the homework in WhatsApp.